Golf Cart Garage is hanging out this weekend at New World Disc Golf, and we've had the best time ever driving golf carts around to play disc golf.
Welcome to New World. I'm Robbie. I'm the owner. Please come play us. You'll like us.
I promise you, you'll have a good time at this place.
5 courses.
Come down to New World Disc Golf in Jacksonville next time you're in Florida and have fun. It's time for Extreme Golf Cart Makeover, right now on GCG TV. Hey, welcome back to Extreme Golf Cart Makeover. Special thanks to Robbie and New World Sports Complex in Jacksonville for an awesome time. I can't wait to come back to Florida and shank more frisbees into the swamp. Today we're looking at part 2 of our mini-season 1.5. We really hope you'll join us back here in the spring for season 2 as we bring back our sweepstakes and highlight a full EZGO TXT customization from MadJax, using their Storm body kit and lots of cool extras. But speaking of EZGOs, let's roll the rest of our footage on Tripod, our new 3-wheeled mascot here in the Golf Cart Garage. Nick has a real skill for surface refinishing of all kinds, like the awesome camouflage vinyl wrap he performed on our club car Precedent, rendering it completely invisible. Just like that plane that Linda Carter used to fly on TV. But today, you can actually see his work, and he made the call to use a trigger on a spray paint can. Look, I didn't have any better ideas, and he's bigger than me, so I just stayed out of the way and watched as he laid a beautiful finish on both the cart body and the rooftop. This already made a dramatic difference, and the project really started to take shape. Next, we taped off the trim to add a blue accent color to the cart body and rooftop, and got another white coat on both the top struts and steering column. Then we carefully removed the painter's tape and paper to reveal the finish, polished up a bit, and started to reassemble everything. I'm proud to say we upcycled the tires we removed from our Yamaha G29 during Season 1 of Extreme Golf Cart Makeover to give Tripod a new set of shoes and a spare, because the front tire was flat and the old Yamaha tires were the same size and in much better condition. Next, we reinstalled the top struts and rooftop after pulling the painter's tape away to reveal an impressive gloss finish that Nick was able to put on that material. We won't show you the gross, disgusting footage of washing and prepping that top for paint. That was less Linda Carter and more Linda Blair. And that metaphor holds up because this cart winds up being a real head turner. I'm sorry, I'll stop. Moving on, we put down a piece of plywood to cover the engine compartment, reattached the front emblem, and put on the newly painted hubcaps. Then we began the custom attachment of an Axiom disc golf target. We did this by finding a bolt that fit the threading of the top to attach the center pole to the rooftop. We then used the target's own top cap to plug the bottom where the support pole would usually attach. Next, we installed an underseat storage tray for disc storage and because it just happened to fit, and we just happened to have it on hand. We also sent a message to the manufacturer of the target, and the very nice people at Axiom and MVP Disc Sports sent us some very cool stickers and disc lights to help us find those throws that flew off into Narnia somewhere. We finished up our work by putting in some LED light strips to give an accent light under the roof. We're having a blast throwing at Tripod, and you can see some of the target practice right here on YouTube Shorts. We're really hoping to find a disc golf course somewhere that might like to have Tripod here as a signature hole. We're looking to donate this incredible target to the right course or private owner that will treat it with love and give it a good home. So hit us up. That wraps it up for mini-season 1.5. Make sure to join us right back here in the spring to see MadJax products in action for season 2 as we remodel a 2006 EZGO TXT from rooftop to wheels and enter to win one of 6 monthly prizes or the $3,000 grand prize in the Extreme Golf Cart Makeover Sweepstakes. Just stop by golfcartgarage.com if you need help with your cart, or give us a call at 1-800-401-2727. 2934 so we can help show you around the garage. Thanks for watching GCG TV.